Zeropark payment terms. These are the rules of payments for publishers. So Codewise payments are being done monthly based on the invoice sent by the user. So if the publisher doesn't have the automatic invoicing, they should send the invoice to accounting@codewise.com after the month ends. To enable automatic invoices, contact your account manager. Publishers can choose the way they receive payments. Possible ways are PayPal and wire transfer. Your minimum sum for PayPal payment is $100 and for wire is $1,000, and the amounts lower than minimum will be added to the next invoice. Payments will be done within 30 days, counted from the end of the month the invoice is issued for. If malicious traffic is being found by the compliance, the publisher will be charged with a chargeback that should be subtracted from the final amount. The total sum of the chargeback depends on the volume of malicious traffic found. The publisher will be informed about issuing chargeback by compliance.